Let's take a look at powering up the REVIC PMR428. Okay, I've already installed a AAA lithium battery, so I've got some power. So all I need to do to power up the REVIC PMR is go to the enter button on the keypad, press and hold the enter button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There, it'll power up. You'll see the REVIC logo, and that tells you that everything's coming. Now it comes up to the main heads-up display, so all your data is there. It's ready to start. So when it's time to turn the scope off, all we do is press and hold for 3 seconds again. 1, 2, 3. And you'll see it power off. The REVIC scope does have a few interesting power management things that you need to be aware of. Number one is, if you ever power the scope up and you've got a battery in and everything's good, but you can't see the display, a couple times I've noticed if you inadvertently adjust the brightness all the way down, you think the display's off. It's actually on, you just can't see it. So just double check, make sure the brightness settings, and we cover that in a nice video, so check that video out. Make sure the brightness settings are right. Another thing that you need to be aware of is it has a sleep timer. And so there's 2 power states for the REVIC PMR. One of them is full on, and one of them is sleep, and then you've got power off. And the sleep timer is actually settable in the menu, so let's say it's 5 minutes. So full on, it'll run full power for 5 minutes, and then it'll go to sleep. And in that low power state, everything's accessible. It's just waiting for some either turret dial or button press to bring it back up. So it's monitoring all the sensors and everything's working. So just be aware that it does have that sleep state. That time is adjustable, and other than that, you've got the manual power on and manual power off. That's the REVIC PMR, power on, power off.